What's going on, party people? Cam from Flamingo, and today we're actually going to be switching things up because I'm actually not going to be the only one doing this review. Today we're actually going to be heading down to our Portage location to see what all the folks down there think about the new Vinci X by VooPoo. Now before we head down to the store, we're actually going to go over the tech specs quick before they get scattered between the review. So the Vinci X is 11.7 centimeters tall, 2.9 centimeters at the widest, and 2.5 centimeters at the narrowest part. It's primarily made out of zinc alloy, has a 5.5 millimeter pod, and actually takes a 18650 battery, and that goes all the way up to 70 watts. The Vinci X has a 2.5 centimeter TFT color display, or about 1 inch for Americans, and you're about to see that in a moment. And now that we got that out of the way, let's jump in the car and head on down to our Portage location. But wait, before we go into the car, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you're going to be notified every time we post a brand new video. So my sunglasses and my .io were stolen, but let's go drive to Portage. Oh, and my aux cord, so I can't even listen to music anymore. I love Winnipeg. Heyo. How's it going, everybody? Cam and Dimey from Flamingo, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vinci X by VooPoo. Vape review. What are we doing?
Reviewing the Vinci X today. This is a new one. It's got an external battery, and it's actually way bigger than the old one.
Oh yeah, because you have the old one, correct?
The original Vinci was actually sick. External battery things are always a lot better. It's huge, man. Pods are going to be the same size though, still a 5.5 milliliter capacity pod. Fairly big, way bigger side panel so you can actually see all the nice colors that we have, and it actually comes in 6 different color options.
Holy moly. Cinematic.
We're going to be popping the 0.3 coil in here just because it is going to be the best one for freebase juices and all your lower nicotine, thicker vape juices and stuff like that. Simple press fit in there. All you're going to do is push it down. No screwing and all anything like that. Super easy to use, actually.
Oh wait, is it spin-off?
Yeah, it's twist off.
Okay.
Just like this.
That looks sick.
Tells you negative side goes down. In like that.
Is that an unwrapped battery?
No, it is not. We have clear wraps at Flamingo, which, by the way, battery wraps are free.
Did you say free?
$0. Not gonna hurt the bank account at all.
$0? Are you kidding? Are you kidding me, Charlie?
Oh my god, yes.
Wow. What juice are we putting in here?
Space Rocks Ice from the Lost Art line. It's one of a lot of people's favorite juices. One of my personal favorites as well. It's kiwi, strawberry, pop rock candy. It's actually unreal.
Yeah, I've been through like 3 liters of it.
Oh my god. Filling up this pod is also super. Oh no, it's not. Cam.
Oh,
problem here.
I thought you said it was easy.
This pod's broken, bro.
Did you break the?
This thing is torn.
Dimey.
We need to use a new pod, bro.
You broke it.
Whatever will we do?
You broke it. What else do we have in this box?
0.6 and a 0.8 coil is actually what comes with the Vinci X. For the last one, it was a 0.8 and a 0.3. Oh wait, no, it's a 0.3 and a 0.6. My bad.
0.3 and a 0.6. I got printer ink on myself earlier. How's Amanda doing?
Oh god.
So in the box at the bottom, you get your warranty card here from VooPoo themselves, your user manual if you ever have any wonders about this device at all, your gene chip slip, I can tell you it's a gene chip in there, and a charging cord, which I wouldn't use for an external battery device.
Oh no, it's single battery, so it's okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know that. Wow,
I mean, still buy a battery charger. Battery chargers are the best, but like you could use it, it's fine.
Fair enough. Good enough.
Just make sure you read the manual for the charging specifications, etc., etc., etc. Anyway.
Because of how big this pod is too, it does take a fair bit of time to actually fill up all the way. Make sure you're always waiting like 5 to 10 minutes every time you put a new coil in it as well, so it actually wicks properly and tastes really good like Space Rocks should.
Okay, Dami, what do you think about the design of this device?
I actually kind of like it. I think it's fairly comfortable in the hand when you hold it, but other than that, I mean, it's a little heavier than the last one. It's going to be, though, having an external battery and everything, but I kind of like how it looks. fairly grippy. It's not going to fall over or anything. It's got a really nice shape to it. Enough weight and everything. Side panels on it actually look sick.
That is way bigger. Holy heck. Is it way bigger?
Yeah, hold the other one.
Where's the other one?
Substantially bigger height-wise.
It feels like you're holding a mech mod.
Kinda, yeah.
That's neat. I like it.
Yo.
Here's a thumbnail shot. Thumbnail. Adam.
Yes.
Wake me up inside.
Wake me up.
Wake me up inside.
Can't wake up.
Save me.
Oh wait, actually take off the pod. That's easier to figure out. Does it have the little... Oh! So in the original one we got 3 dingles. This one we only get 2. There's no more auto draw, which is that little squid, that little circle. No auto draw, only button.
It's not too bad because I'd never auto draw on a 70-watt device. I'm not gonna lie.
Honestly, that would be kind of terrifying.
Still super smart though. It still maxes out your power and everything, so you can't physically burn your coils or anything like that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh sick.
Look at this. Try to ramp this coil up above 40 watts and maxes it out. It is a 70-watt device though, so you can't actually burn out your coils just from user error.
No way. That's actually sick.
Let's see how she vapes.
Holy moly.
That's a really smooth hit. Like, ridiculously smooth.
It's
I'm
also
actually
zero
kinda
neck, you
impressed.
know that, right?
Well, yes, but it's still a really smooth hit though. Like, no cracking or anything like that.
Wow.
Flavor is unreal. Amanda, vape review.
Amanda, vape review.
Impeccable flavor.
Impeccable flavor.
My mouth is full of flavor.
That's actually like
And no
ridiculously
juice.
good.
And no juice, wow.
No spit back. Flavor's like super good on it actually. Like almost too good. It kind of bothers me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
How does this device make you feel?
Kind of like a kid on Christmas, man. Like I'm just excited about this.
That's amazing.
And now I want one.
You gonna buy one?
More than likely.
That means you guys should buy one. Charlie, you want to hit the jewel?
Yes.
Try and hit the jewel, bro.
It actually tastes really good though. What juice is that?
Space Rock.
That flavor's as good as my RTA.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh. What RT are you using?
The Kylan.
Oh.
Kylan RTA flavor has been surpassed by a pod system.
By VooPoo. Vinci X.
Vinci.
Whoa.
External battery. 70 watts. Cloud chasing pod systems
40.
finally hitting the market. For the low price of only $54.99.
Is that how much this thing costs?
Yeah, it's $5 more than the old one.
Really?
Yeah,
That's not bad.
dummy cheap.
So, as you could also see, they changed where the USB port is. Not on the bottom. Wow. We in this, we're making a movie.
Charlie chilling.
Putting my forehead in all frames.
Now, how's she vape?
Now, how does she vape?
Is that what
Whoa!
this is? Whoa! That's really good.
Actually, like, pretty impeccable flavor on it. I'm a fairly large fan. I kind of want one.
I actually really like this. This is actually really good.
This is you. That's
that
the
you?
guy she said not to worry about.
I got this off. Customer review.
Holy shit. That's a lot smoother.
Interesting. I mean, it is also zero neck, to be fair.
Still, like, I feel that right away with this one. It's a little bit of a kickback to it.
Interesting. Okay. Do you prefer this over the original? Because you also have an original.
Yes, I definitely prefer this over the original.
This is... Everyone just agrees.
It's fucking wild.
This is crazy.
Census.
This is a consensus.
Let the records show.
The government
Buy
should
a
hire
Vinci
us.
X.
Yep. Vinci.
Oh,
Vinci X.
jeez, goodness. Oh god. Who cares about that anymore?
Exactly.
Just bought a pod too.
Just bought a pod for it.
And that's closed?
I'm enjoying this way too much. The closed airflow makes it so much better. Like,
I
try
know.
it with closed airflow. Trust me, 10 times better.
Yep, that's solid.
The flavor is like so there.
Who needs the original Vinci anymore? Unless
It's like
unless
you
it's $5, I guess.
versus the
but-
guy she tells you not to worry about.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying. That's what
Exactly
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
I'd recommend the Vinci X to any pod user.
There we go. That's what people use at RTAs. What the heck? That's a thumbnail shot. What? Okay, he says thumbnail.
Ryan Hallstein.
Which way is he going? Oh god.
I'm not Post Malone, but I still feel like a rock star.
I hate you. All right. So, Daimi, what do you think about the Vinci X compared to the original Vinci?
I think in pretty much every single way it outperforms the original one. I know it's gonna have a lot better battery life because it's external battery as well. So that's super good. You saw yourself, it chucks denser clouds and bigger clouds too. It goes up to 70 watts. I'm not sure how we're gonna do that yet, but I'm expecting an RBA release fairly soon for it. Besides that, I mean, pod capacity is the same, but it just feels really nice in the hand. And overall, like, I mean, I'll recommend this to anybody that wants to get into a new pod system or start using pod systems. Really good with freebase, which is kind of what we're looking for here.
That's what I'm saying.
I got way more from that than I did from this.
Wait. What?
Way more flavor from that than I got from this.
Okay, now that's saying something. So, what are your final thoughts on this?
Exactly what Daimi had to say. It's great. I would recommend that to anybody looking for a new pod system. Flavor's great. Way better clouds, thicker, dense. Especially for people who like doing tricks as well. You'll be able to get some really good ones out of that.
Charlie, what is your final thoughts on the Vinci X pod system? Final thoughts.
I'm not good on this pod.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course if you want to see more reviews like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell below. And don't forget to check us out on social media if you want to see more content from Flamingo. And remember,
He's Cam from Flamingo, and he'll see you in the next one.
Money.
Is that it? Did we do it?
We've lost him.
you guys ever seen Nardwar?